Racing gas is started. We have super duper break quickly restart. Moving up on the outside is Miss Babon to take the lead. Boss Ladies down in third. Next online is Divine Diva, while Sea of Galilee is the early trailer run going along for the first turn. We have Miss Babon on its favorite position, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Right behind in second is Super Duper. Boss Lady comes next. Alongside comes Sea of Galilee, while Divine Diva is racing in fifth as they swing down the back. We have Miss Babon maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Super Duper in second. Boss Lady still in third, and on the outside comes Sea of Galilee, while Divine Diva is still running at the tail of the field. And at the far turn, we have Super Duper now moves up to take the lead. Driving back in second is Miss Babon. Then here comes Boss Lady, now starting to stretch out together with Sea of Galilee, while Divine Diva is still running at the tail of the field. And Diana entering the home stretch. Super Duper, Boss Ladies down on the inside, and on the outside now comes Sea of Galilee as they swing for home. Boss Lady, Sea of Galilee is on the outside. We have 2 entries fighting around for the lead. Boss Lady, Sea of Galilee is on the outside. Boss Lady, Sea of Galilee now moves up to take the lead, and nearing the finish line, the program opener belongs to Sea of Galilee, Boss Lady. Then comes Super Duper, Divine Diva.
Alright, so that's about it. Ang ating unang karera, 5-4-2. Ang ating first 3 finishers dyan. Trifecta lamang tayo. Doing 139.8. Quarters niya, 19, 26, 26, 28 and a half. And on your screens, we have Jackie Randy Lagrata. Medyo parang manipis yung ngiti ni Randy. Dihado.
Nabanggit mo pa ang pangalan ni Randy kanina nung nagtatanong ng mga hinete at mga birthday.
Okay na. Ang timbang ni Randy,